So as you can see, today I have something more smoky, more sexy. So I really wanted to do a red wing liner for such a long time, but I don't have any good liners, red liners. I have this from NYX, but this is not good. You cannot build the color to make it more vibrant because it gets chunky, doesn't feel right on the eyes, so I skipped this and I did my wing liner with a matte lipstick. Yeah, that's right. So also I used a lip liner in my waterline and I didn't have any issues so far. And the red on my lips, it can be a little bit too much, but I thought to tame this bad boy with a nude lipstick, but then I said, what if I'm going to ruin this? So I skipped the nude lipstick and I don't think it looks that bad. I don't know, let me know down below what do you think, and if you want to see how I achieved this makeup look, then keep on watching. Hi guys, so this is the final result. I must say that these BH Cosmetics lipsticks, of course they are matte, but they feel a little bit too dry on my lips, and I do have a bunch of lines on my lips and they like to sink in those lines. So from close it looks kinda not cute. You can clearly count all the lines on my lips, but from far it looks very nice. I mean, it looks normal. Also, to create this wing liner with a matte lipstick, it was kind of a struggle. I had to move very quick because this dries fast. So yeah, what can I say? Practice makes perfect. And that's it. I really hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Take care and I will see you in my next one. Mwah. I'm not coming to your house. Are you crazy? Oh, come on. I don't have time for this. But too much. What was that?